Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device and Windows Edition meet insider requirements and why compatibility matters for feature testing and recovery. Once done, sign in with a Microsoft account and enable device backup so you can roll back if an insider build misbehaves. Next, open Settings Update and Security Windows Insider program and choose your Microsoft account. Make sure to select a suitable channel later. This first sequence gets you enrolled and prepared to receive test builds. Now you configure the flow of updates and why each channel differs. Dev for earliest features but highest instability, Beta for smoother testing, Release Preview for near-final builds. Once chosen, enable diagnostic data and preview updates so Microsoft can deliver the right packages and you can help improve Windows. Make sure to review your update schedule and pause settings to avoid disruptive installs during critical work. Finally, confirm device recovery options and create a system restore point before major insider upgrades. Install the insider build and then verify the new build number under Settings System about so you know what to test. This helps you report accurate feedback. Once installed, test essential apps, drivers, and peripherals. Document failures with reproductions and logs because that information speeds fixes. If something goes wrong, use the rollback option in Recovery or boot into Windows Recovery environment to restore a previous image. One key troubleshooting tip: collect logs and use Feedback Hub before rolling back to help developers address the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.